This is Alan Farley from FX Empire. Costco Wholesale is pushing against a key resistance level Monday morning after upbeat analyst commentary. Looking back, the stock topped out right around the 320 level in February 2020, sold off during the pandemic, then entered this very volatile symmetrical triangle, finally clearing resistance in July and entering this multi-legged uptrend that got up to the 393 level in November, and that's an all-time high. Then sold off more than 80 points into March, shaking out a lot of shareholders. And as the new year came, interest in the retail group really started to wane. The stock bottomed out right around the 300 level in March, and it's made a beeline back to the 786 Fibonacci retracement level up here around the 374, 375 level. Now, this is a very key Fibonacci retracement. When an instrument clears this level, it usually makes a rapid advance to 100% retracement, which in this case is very close to 400. So we need to watch this barrier very closely because it could indicate that Costco is ready to get back and test its prior high and perhaps break out. Looking down at unbalanced volume, as you can see, it topped out in February 2020 with price, and then through most of the 2020 rally, it had a bearish divergence, finally coming back up to the prior high, breaking out into December and then failing that little breakout during the correction. Now it's back at it again. It's covered about half the distance back up to this prior high, and it still has this barrier to deal with. But given 2020 behavior, I don't think we can depend on accumulation to tell us where price is going. So I think we'll have to watch really closely in coming sessions because, especially with the economic surge in the United States, and sooner or later that's going to stretch into all the other continents that Costco does business. And I think the outlook is very, very good for a rally up to the 390 level and perhaps a breakout in the second half of the year.